Okay, today we are going to solve this math. The sum of four consecutive even numbers is 36. Consecutive means one after another, follow one after another without an interruption. Consecutive even numbers. The sum of four consecutive even numbers is 36. What is the first number in this sequence? That is consecutive even number. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 6. This 2 is a even number, this 4 is a even number, and this 6 is a even number. Even number means that number that can be divided by 2 and you will not get any remainder. Look, if you divide this 2 by 2, you will get 1, quotient 1. That is, you will not get any remainder. And if you divide this 3 by 2, then you will get remainder 1. So this is not even number. And if you divide this 4 by 2, then the result will be 2, that is quotient will be 2. So you will not get any remainder. But if you divide these 5 by 2, then you will get remainder 1, right? And if you divide this 6 by 2, then you will get quotient 3. So you will not get any remainder. So look, so this 2, 4, 6 is a consecutive even number, right? And this 1, 3 and 5 is also consecutive odd number. But this 2, 4, 6, this is consecutive even number. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is consecutive integers, right? So we are considering here even number, that is 2, 4, 6. Look, 2, 4, 6, and the difference between consecutive even number is 2. Look, 4 minus 2, 2, 6 minus 4, 2, right? So the difference between consecutive even number will be always 2, and keep this in your mind and it will help you to understand this math, right? So look, so let's say here we have to consider four consecutive even number. Let's say the first number is x, then the next even number will be x plus 2, because the difference between two consecutive even number will be 2. So if you deduct x plus 2 minus x, then you will get result 2, right? Like x plus 2 minus x, you will get result 2. Then the third number, what will be third number? Third number will be 4. Just you have to add 2 with these 2. This is third number and this is fourth number. Just you have to add 2 with this 4, 6. So this is first even number, this is second even number, this is third even number, and this is fourth even number. According to the condition, the sum of four consecutive even number will be 6. So let us add x plus 2 plus x plus 4 and then x plus 6. The sum will be 36. So according to problem, let us write here 36. So what we are getting, look, here we are getting x, 2x, 3x, 4x. So 4x. Then here we have 2 plus 4, 6 plus 6, 12 plus 12 equal to here 36. So look, okay, minus 12 from both sides, right? minus 12 from both sides to solve this equation. So we are getting here 12 minus 12, that is 0. Okay, let us deduct 36 minus 12, that is, look, this is unit place, this is unit place, so 6 ones minus 2 ones, that is 4, then 1 3 2 24, we are getting here 24, or 4x equal to 24. Now divide both sides by 4, so 4x divided by 4, 24 divided by 4, so we are getting here, look, this 4 will cancel each other, x equal to what will happen, 24. Okay, 4 times 1 4, 4 times 2 8, 4 times 3 12, 4 times, this is the multiplication table, right? 4 times 4, that is 16, then 4 times 5, that is just add 4, that is 20, then 6 24, that is 4 times 6, so we have to take here 6, right? So we are getting x equal to 6, 24 by 4, 6, right? Now our first number will be here, the value of x is 6, so put the value of x here, so our first number will be 6, second number will be x plus 2, that is 6 plus 2, that is 8, right? Then third number will be 6 plus 4, that is 10, and our fourth number will be 6 plus 6, 12, right? So our first number is 6, second number is 8, and third number is 10, and fourth number is 12. Look, the difference between consecutive or even numbers is 2. 8 minus 6 2, 10 minus 8 2, 12 minus 10 also 2. So here we have to find out the first number in this sequence. Our first number is 6, right? So the answer is 6. This is very easy actually. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.